snacks and minted melon. Today we're going to be cooking eggs, souffle. So we're going to need a couple bowls. We're using 5 eggs, a little bitty souffle pan like this right here, a tablespoon of oil, a tomato. We're going to use some toast. We have a baster, and then we're going to have a wire whip and our knife. Okay, let's get started.
All right, let's get cracking. All right, got all the eggs in there. Whisk these up. All right, we got them all whisked up. All right, let's move on to prepping our tomatoes. Let's see how we'll cut the top off right there. Well, this one though, so we still have the top of the tomato right there. What you want to do is just cut around it. So that we only have just a little bit left. Alright, I'm going to start dicing this up. The cuts necessarily don't have to be perfect. Let's go ahead and oil our pan. Make sure you get all the corners and the sides really well. Let's go ahead and put our tomatoes in. And now we're going to start on our bread. All right. Oops, above me, dude. All right, I'm gonna spread these around a little bit. A little more. Spread these out. And let's put some egg in there. Now, what you want to do is you don't want to put just one spot. You want to go all the way around. There we go. All right, it is now ready for the oven.
All right, went ahead and preheated the oven at 350 degrees. Our egg souffle is ready. Let's go ahead and put it in here. Alright. Now you want to put it in about the middle of the oven. That way it kind of cooks evenly and very consistently. Okay, so we'll check it about 15 minutes and see how it's doing. We may have to put it in a little bit more, but the end result is going to be perfect. All right, we're back. Let's check out our egg souffle real quick. All right, let's see this right here. Now, what you want to look for is in the middle. See, it's still kind of runny in there. So the edges are cooking, as you can see right there, but the middle part is still kind of runny. So what we're going to do is put it in about 15 more minutes. Pull it out and check it. All right, let's take our egg souffle out real quick. All right, look at that. Check the middle of it. Oh yeah, looks ready and done. All right, take a little bit out. Use our spatula. Now it is hot, so try not to touch this with your fingers. View here. Good, look at that. All right, there we go. It is ready. All right, here we have the egg souffle. We put our tomatoes in there. We got some bread in there, got some eggs. All right, welcome back to the Mint of Melon. I hope you enjoyed this segment of an egg souffle. All right, doesn't that look delicious? Look at that. Best in the world. All right, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that way when we bring up more videos, that you'll be the first to get them. Guys, have a great day and enjoy.